Hello friends, I am Shivaji Vaike. In last session of agrotourism, we have seen meaning of agrotourism, definition of agrotourism. Agrotourism is an when agricultural or agri-related activities brings tourists to the farm or rural area. It is an agrotourism, or it is a combo of agricultural and tourism sectors. Then we have seen basic principles of agrotourism, which are something to see, something to do, and something to buy. Then scope and importance of agrotourism for farmers and surrounding societies or economy. Then various problems related to agrotourism sectors. Now to the continuation of last sessions. In today's sessions we are going to see various advantages and disadvantages of overall tourism sectors. So we'll begin with advantages of tourism. First one, employment generations. So these tourism sectors generate employment in the form of tourist guide, then travel agencies, then hotel industries and other one. So it helps to generate employment, or it create employment opportunities. Then growth of service industry or service sectors. If you see in economy we have three sectors: primary sectors, secondary sectors and tertiary sectors. Primary sectors include manufacturing or agricultural activities. Then under secondary include processing activities, and under tertiary include service sectors like doctor, hospital, schools and tourism sectors. So this tourism allow to growth of overall this tertiary or service sector industries. Then foreign exchange earning, it allows to earn foreign exchange because some foreigners also comes to sightseeing. That's activities brings to, or that activity add the foreign exchange or foreign currency to the Indian economy. Then recreations, it recreates some entertainment activities to tourist. Then economic growth, because it is generating or it is getting foreign exchange, or tourists are visiting to the places. That's why also it helps to economic growth of nations. Then meet new peoples, it allows to meet new peoples between urban to rural, or urban to urban, or rural to urbans, then foreigner to rural or foreigner to urban. So it allows to meet new peoples. Then cultural exchange between this urban to rural, or foreigner to rural, or rural to urbans. It allows to exchange the cultural, or exchange their cultural things, means their food, their culture, their traditions. So it allows to exchange the cultural things. Then health and wellness. So due to this tourism activities, it allows to your health and wellness activities, or like stress releasement activities, then other things. So it brings good health to the tourist. Then fun and enjoyment for tourist. So it gives to fun and enjoyment to the tourist. Then spend time with family, because of it within your busy schedules or busy days, it allows to spend time with your family. So these are the some advantages of tourism sectors. Okay, then various disadvantages of tourisms. Okay, it required huge expenditures in the form of vehicle hiring charges, hotel, resort, food cost, and this will increase the overall spending or cost to the any persons. Sometimes it leads to huge expenditures. Then tourism is often time consuming. It required time to visit, or it take time to sightseeing. Then may causes stress and effect on health. Sometimes it leads to causing stress, and even it also opposite to your health also. Then environmental hazard, such as environmental pollution due to the use of cigar and plastic bags, then any alcohol or liquor bottles. So it leads to environmental pollutions. Then the provision of water supplies and waste disposals facilities may be get disrupted Due to this tourism activities, the water it leads to stress on certain natural resources like water supply, then waste disposal activities, then plastic things, then abundance in dumping of waste products, food tins, and okay, it leads to waste disposal problems also. Then damage to the wildlife park also. So these about the certain advantages and disadvantages of tourism sectors. Now what we learned today? Today we have seen about various advantages and disadvantages of tourism sectors. Okay, I am not saying agro-tourism, it is an overall tourism sectors. So first one, in advantages, it generate employment opportunities in the form of tourist guide or hotel industries, then food and other things. Then growth of service industries or service sector, it allows to growth of overall service sectors. Then generating foreign exchange due to the visit of foreign person or foreign tourist. Then it create some recreational or entertainment activities. Then economic growth, it allows to growth of overall economies. Then it allows to meet new peoples. Then cultural exchange between various peoples or various background peoples. Then it is helpful for health and willingness of humans. Then some fun and enjoyment activities. Then spending time with an family. Then certain disadvantages like sometimes it required huge expenditures, then time consuming, causing sometimes it adversely causing stress and health effect. Then environmental pollutions lead to then water supplies and disposal problems, then abundance dumping of waste products and wildfires. So these about the today's sessions. I hope you understand. If not, please ask me. Thank you.